have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because
show you how to get your hair looking like this to this. So at the end, I forgot to show you that I put the oil at the ends of my hair just to give back some more moisture into it after using the blow dryer. And yeah, I hope you guys like this finished product. And with further ado, let's go ahead and get back to the rest of the video. So I guess I can go ahead and show you what I put in my hair already. All this stuff is Monet, not sponsored or whatever. I've used these products for like almost 2 years. I don't know, it's been a while, but I use the Restoring Leave-In Conditioner for detangling and strengthening my hair, and then I put some of the oil in. You can pretty much use this for like anything, like your hair, your lips, your skin, pretty much anything. And then I use the Thermal Protect Styling Shield, and that's what that looks like. I don't know, but I'm gonna show you how I use my Revlon 2-in-1. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. So I already parted my hair, as you can tell, and then now I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair off. This is pretty much gonna be probably everywhere, and also if I'm looking here, it's because there's a mirror right in front of me, and I'm gonna try and not look at myself but look into the camera. So there's that, and it's kind of wonky, but it's okay. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off. I'm only gonna do like 2 parts of my hair just because I'm not that great with blow drying, and also not a professional, and this is just how I do my hair when I blow dry it. Or yeah, I don't blow dry my hair all the time. I just do it whenever I want straight hair and I don't want to use a straightener, because the majority of the time I just I will air dry it. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb my hair out. What I will do is I'll take a couple sections, like an inch and a half, and then, like, I'm not a professional, again, this is like, if I'm not good at it, then I'm not good at it, but this is just how I do it. The roots, and then I will pull, or I will twist, not all the way, but like halfway, and then I will pull, and then when I get to my ends, I will go do that again, twist, twist, twist. And then once I'm done with that, I will go back and do it the other way. I like to do it straight, but I like to do it like I'm going for a blowout look. So I will try and curl the ends a little. But yeah, that's just what that one looks like. And then when I'm done with my whole head, or the whole section, I'll show you what I do with the cooling section. So I'm gonna keep doing this all around my head, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Now that I have such, like, I don't have a lot of volume in my hair, I will go ahead and take a little piece from the back, and then I'm just going to, if you can tell, I'm just gonna take, pretend this is, or I'm just gonna take the blow dryer and give myself a little bump, leave it like that for a couple seconds, and then twist out like that to give myself a little volume in the back, because again, I don't have a lot of volume when it comes to my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start the top section of my hair. For this part, I guess I'm just gonna leave the bottom, and I'm gonna section my hair again, because technically, since I put it up, this section is gonna go back to how it was before. So I'm just gonna section my hair off how I want it. I think that's good enough. And then where my crown is of my head, I am going to section that off because I want that for last. So that way I can give myself a little bit of volume. And if you're a hairdresser, don't come at me, because I feel like when I do this, it's kind of sloppy, but you know, practice makes perfect. I'm just gonna comb that out. Alright, now that I'm sweating really bad and that this part of the hair is done, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and show you how I do my crown. So I'm gonna section I'm just gonna section it twice because that's pretty much all I need, and then I'm gonna twist this and just clip it to the side of my head. I know I look freaking weird, but I promise you it'll look a lot better when I'm done. So like I said earlier, that I don't have a lot of volume in my hair, I'm gonna brush that so there's no knots. Oh, my arms are starting to hurt. Take this part of the hair, and then I'm gonna take the blow dryer, like so, right up like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe I should get the camera up closer. Like this, and comb it underneath and pull up. Like underneath. Like so, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take it and blow underneath like this. And like that, and then it gives me like a little bit of volume. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do this side the same way. I'm just going to go ahead and do the last part of my hair. Honestly, you can be messy with it. There's gonna be a lot of people who are pretty much gonna do it a lot better than I am. I'm gonna go around my head and get the parts that I feel like I kind of missed, and then I'm gonna also go around my head, like just the top parts of my head, and try and give it some more volume. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the cooling part, and like, you know how people, when they curl their hair, they just leave the sections alone to cool off, is so for it to stay its shape, and then whenever your hair is done cooling and your curls aren't hot, it stays in place, keeps the curl. So that's pretty much what I'm doing with the cooling part of this, even though my hair is straight. And that's pretty much what I'm doing with the cooling part, is cooling down the hair and keeping it how I want it with my hair. And with my bangs, I like to comb it down to keep it from, like you can tell with all of this humidity and stuff, the cooling, I don't know what it's called, of the blow dryer, to keep it from fizzing up like that. So. And then this is the final hair. So yeah, it looks super smooth. It looks like you just got your hair blown out from the hairdressers, and yeah, it's like super soft, and it made my hair super shiny. I hope this video helped you with wanting to use this, because I know there's a lot of expensive ones out there, but this does just the same with all the other ones, and a lot cheaper. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more IGTVs,